Hi, I'm Mike Thompson, and I believe that anything is possible. And I bet you believe that too. I also believe in self-reliance, learning and doing as much as I can. I believe that everyone is creative, and you are for sure. I'm constantly learning and inventing things that make life a little bit better. I make videos showing you how to do all sorts of things. There's absolutely no focus on this channel, so there's something for everyone. This channel is a reflection of me and my interests, and if you believe the same things, then you're going to get along great with the other subscribers. It's called Mike's Inventions because, well, that's the name of the website, but it's because it's a unique enough name to be searchable. Mike Thompson isn't. This channel's name is mostly misleading because most of what's on here isn't really an invention. This channel's all over the place by design, because I believe in living life to the fullest and trying as many different things as I can. I'm a husband and dad first, but I'm also an engineer, a pilot, scuba diver, welder, carpenter, and so much more. Seeing someone's face light up when I've taught them to do something new is the best feeling in the world, and that's probably the best part about being a dad. I believe it's important for me to pass on everything I've learned to my boys so that they'll be self-reliant and able to do all the things. Whether my videos help 100 or 100,000 people doesn't matter to me. Knowing that I've saved you time and money or that taught you a new skill that makes all the countless hours planning, editing, shooting, it makes it all worth it. So many of you have left kind words and comments down there, and that's what keeps me going. And I'm always going to try to respond to as many as I can. I've got several playlists for focus topics, and there's always more content coming. I just don't know what it is yet. You can always email me, of course, at mike@mikesinventions.com. I've also made many STL files available for download for free on my website, mikesinventions.com. I'm sure that you'll find something useful on my channel, and if not now, there will certainly be something useful in the future, since I'm always learning new stuff and passing it on. So go ahead and click the subscribe button so that you can be notified when something new comes out. It's free. I'm Mike Thompson, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.